SC Johnson Professional is refreshing the foam soap experience with the pure, clean innovation of Refresh Foam Soap. Specially formulated with one of the mildest preservatives, Refresh Foam Soaps contain added skin conditioners, making them pleasantly mild on the hands and suitable for all ages. With a signature scent at the heart of each fragrance, Refresh Foam Soaps have been proven to leave hands softly scented with a luxurious feeling that customers notice. Refresh Foam Soap is also available in a perfume-free, dye-free version for customers that are sensitive to dye and fragrances. Washing with just one pump removes over 99% of dirt and germs when used properly. Compared to traditional lotion soap, just one pump of Refresh Foam Soap takes care of your hands and your bottom line. Save even more on maintenance costs by pairing Refresh soaps with new transparent dispensers. The Quick View feature allows accurate product visibility from any distance or angle, maximizing maintenance efficiency. The Refresh product line promises the quality customers want, with features that redefine foam soap expectations. The new Refresh Foam Soap line. It's the soap they'll love from the brand you can trust. From SC Johnson Professional.